In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the call failed problem on FaceTime on your iPhone. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a FaceTime call not going through, you're definitely not alone. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to get FaceTime working smoothly again. Let's dive in and explore these tips. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. FaceTime requires a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection to function properly. If you find that your calls are failing, ensure you're connected to a network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data, or vice versa, to see if the problem is resolved. Next, let's make sure that FaceTime is enabled on your device. To do this, navigate to your Settings app, scroll down to FaceTime, and ensure that it's turned on. It's a simple step, but it's an important one. An often overlooked but crucial factor is the status of the FaceTime servers. Sometimes Apple might be experiencing outages that can affect your service. You can check if FaceTime is down by visiting Apple's system status page. If FaceTime servers are having issues, you may just need to wait until Apple resolves the problem. Keeping your iOS up to date is another important step. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues like call failures. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update. If there's an update available, be sure to install it and give FaceTime another try. Checking your date and time settings is also crucial. Incorrect settings here can cause connectivity issues. Head to Settings, then General, and select Date and Time. Make sure you have Set Automatically toggled on so your device keeps these settings accurate and consistent. It's also essential to ensure that the person you're trying to FaceTime isn't on your blocked contacts list. To check, go to Settings, Phone, and then Blocked Contacts. Review the list and remove any numbers you've blocked by mistake. If none of the steps above help, consider resetting your network settings. This can often resolve persistent connectivity issues. However, be aware that doing this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be sure to have them handy. To reset, go to Settings, then General, tap Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. Finally, if none of these solutions work, there might be a more complex issue at play, requiring professional assistance. In such cases, contacting Apple support is your best option. They can offer further troubleshooting advice or repairs if needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the call failed issue in FaceTime and get back to making video calls with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.